Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mamta Classes. Today we will do another topic of relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. In the previous video we have completed with quadratic polynomial. In today's video we are going to deal with cubic polynomial as well as some questions based on these results. So let us start with cubic polynomial, that is cubic polynomial. The general format of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is this random polynomial of cubic. General polynomial of cubic. What is the difference between random and general? I'm specifying a, b, c, d. I'm not putting any kind of values of, like, I'm not substituting the values of a, b, c, d as real number, fraction, decimal. So this is general format. And if this kind of the equation we have, the polynomial we have, suppose obviously it's cubic, so there will be 3 roots or 3 zeros. Alpha, let us suppose alpha, beta and gamma. I already told you how to pronunciate this and this in the previous video, so let us know about this. This is known as gamma, G-A-M-M-A. Okay, now cubic polynomial. What is the relation we have between the coefficient and these roots are alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to coefficient of x square, that is b, by coefficient of x cube, that is a, and negative of this whole quantity, or we can say that b by a, negative of b by a. Okay, you can simply write it over here. If you coefficient of x square over coefficient of x cube and negative of this entire. Similarly, sum of the product of the root 2 at 1, like कोई भी दो रूट्स का पेयर लेंगे सीक्वेंस में, अल्फा प्लस बीटा लिया, देन प्लस बीटा इंटू गामा इंटू अल्फा, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू सी बाय ए, और कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब. Okay, I'm taking shortcut here. And the last is product of the root, that means alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus of d by a, that is constant term over coefficient of x cube. Now see, in quadratic as well as in cubic, first sign is negative, second is positive, third is negative. In the quadratic we have first sign as negative and second as positive. The alternate signs we used to move. Is it clear? Now how we will operate this, what kind of questions will be there, let us deal with that. Okay, so in your NCERT, students, it's a request and it's advice at the same time, at anyhow try to complete your NCERT of maths, including the examples, including the exercise and including the miscellaneous exercise too, because I really feel there is nothing beyond your NCERT. Of course, you are suggested to do some rest books like R.D. Sharma, Pearson's, like other authors you have, Dev Jyoti publications. Okay, that is for your practice. Like for the very first time we are proceeding for something, you are taking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or sometimes it may be you are just getting some new concepts, you can take like 30-40 minutes also, or 1 hour. But when you practice, your time consumed becomes decreasing. It started decreasing. Okay, so it's my personal advice to all of you, make sure clear with each and every point, clear with each and every example and sum of your NCERT, very clear. It should be very clear to your mind. It should be very clear in your thoughts. It should be very clear in writing, in describing the format or describing the steps. Okay, after that you should go with your other than books, either your sample papers and blah blah blah. That will be in the last of the year, obviously, but it's my advice. So let us proceed. what kind of the questions are supposed to be asked from here, we will do that later. First we do some another questions, like a very basic question as we did in the quadratic polynomial. That is, you have a quadratic again. Okay, let me tell you one thing, not quadratic, क्यूबिक में क्वेश्चन इस तरह से नहीं आते. मतलब जैसे हमने क्वाड्रेटिक में किया था वैसा क्वेश्चन क्यूबिक में बहुत रेयर होता है. ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो हम उस पर काम करेंगे. यस, सो यू हैव -1 3 एंड -1/3. आपके पास एक ऐसी पॉलिनोमियल है जिसके जीरोज है या रूट्स है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि ये हमारे पास क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है क्योंकि 3 है रूट्स हमारे पास. ठीक है, तो अब हमें इससे एक पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म करनी है, फॉर्म अ पॉलिनोमियल, और क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमें पता है जाहिर सी बात है कि ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है. क्लियर? तो कैसे बनाएंगे? देखो, दिस इज योर -1, दिस इज योर 3, दिस इज योर -1/3. It is okay either you take this one alpha or this one alpha. The choice is completely yours. I am taking sequentially -1 to be alpha, beta to be 3, and gamma to be -1/3. Now proceeding with these terms, let's start to make a quadratic. That is, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to -b/a. That means -1 plus 3 plus negative of -1/3 is equals to minus of b/a. That is, what will be the answer? Taking LCM, it becomes -3 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 1 is equals to minus b/a. Here it is -5/3. Now see, minus minus cancel out, so we have the value of b/a is 5/3. Okay, now next, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. Make sure the terms we have substituted here, you have to take that in sequentially. So alpha is -1, beta is 3 plus beta is 3 into gamma is -1 of 1/3 plus gamma is -1/3 into alpha is -1 again. So this becomes -3. Here it is becomes negative of 1. Here it becomes plus 1/3. So again -4 plus 1/3, that is LCM will be 3. 4 3s are minus of 12 because we have negative sign, plus 1, that is minus of 11/3.